In today's video, more molds. Welcome to my workshop. It seems like I'm one mold short. In my last video 4 of my mold making series, my vacuum chamber stand, I have an empty space. So today I'm going to make 2 extra molds, but with a slightly different fastening system. I'm going to use wingnuts. That's going to make it quicker and easier to disassemble the mold for demolding. This is just a sample piece I drilled to see how strong it is, and it is very strong. Now the next thing to do is do a few measurements, do a cutting list. I'm going to fast forward through all that and I'll be back shortly. Hello, my kitty. Did you come and visit? How are you? I know what you're doing. Come to inspect my work. All the cutting's done. So what I've done, I'm working on the 3/8 Celtic pen size. Because if you go for the full length, you're actually wasting a lot of resin. Okay, so it's all cut. The next step is to do all the drilling, and then it's ready for assembling. So let's get drilling. Almost there, a few more holes to drill and then I can assemble. I'm going to fast forward through the assembly, so I'll see you on the other side. And there you go. 2 resin casting molds done. And a quick release wingnut for demolding. Oh, and that's how quick it is. If it's tightened, it seals absolutely properly. Very happy with that. Anything to make casting easier. With this size, I can put 2 on every shelf. Brilliant. Almost done. And there's the mold for the slimline pens. 3 molds done in no time. Admin as usual. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and if there's any questions or comments, let me have them in the comment section below. Happy casting, happy pen turning, and until the next time, lekker lekker.